Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Google Forms. Sign in with the account that owns the form and open it now. Once the form is open, switch immediately to the Responses tab so you see aggregated data and lists. If you need individual submissions, click the Individual view. For quick metrics, use Summary. Make sure to note which question identifies respondents so you can match entries later. This first step gets you from a blank editor to the actual collected data quickly. Now that you see responses, narrow them down. Start with the search box for keywords and use the timestamp filter to limit by date. If you haven't already, click the green Sheets icon to export to a linked Google Sheet. This converts responses into rows you can sort and filter. Once in Sheets, apply column filters or use Ctrl+F to jump to names, emails, or keywords. Make sure to freeze header rows so column labels stay visible while you scan long lists. Finish by exporting the data you need. Download CSV, print individual responses, or save a copy of the linked sheet for backup. Verify key fields, timestamps, and email addresses to ensure you found the right submission and remove duplicates if present. If a response is missing, check form settings for closed submissions or restricted sign-in. Make sure respondents use the expected account. If permissions block viewing, change sharing or ask the owner to grant access. This usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.